Welcome to Totally Absorbable Solid Implant, TASI, a biotech company. National narcotic crisis headline of thousands of addicted patients died of overdose is bad enough. The underlying statistic is even more disturbing. According to NIH CDC, 1 in 5 American adults is having chronic pain. The actual number is 25 to 50 million. At any given time, 8% of the adults have severe enough pain to affect life and work. By medical definition, everyday experience pain for 6 months or more are chronic. Most of the chronic pain start with acute pain, for example, post-operative pain. The longer you have the pain, harder it is to get rid of it. Eventually, neuroplasticity solidifies. Patients experience pain even when there is no acute injury, which is almost impossible to cure. The socio-economic consequences are dire for those patients. Current treatment for acute and chronic pain are similar, by mouth medication of non-steroids or narcotic. If not working, then injection. There are huge unmet needs in both acute and chronic pain management. Especially, there's no effective way to stop the progression from acute to chronic pain. Hello, I'm Dr. Tasi Shaw, founder and CEO at TASI. In the past 10 years, practiced across towns in Indiana, I am a frontline witness of narcotic crisis. My colleague, pain specialist, co-founder, and I envision a solid implant drug that can deliver more payload to the pain source, last longer, with fewer side effects. Our patented technology calls for a membrane with medication strategically located and rolled into a cylinder size fitting into an 18-gauge needle shown in the picture in the middle. The resulting multi-layer structure is the base for the extended release. The implant can be placed in the wound before the suture closure, provide pain relief for 7 days for most wound healing, and be totally degraded naturally. Our traction can be shown in this TASI bupivacaine implant, containing local anesthetic bupivacaine that was tested in the University of Maryland rat sciatic chronic pain model. Shown in the gray bar, the implanted animal has continuous sensory block for 7 days. This is an industrial first. More importantly, while the positive control animal exhibit increased sensitization to light touch stimuli due to chronic pain injury, the implant blocked this response. This is a revolutionary finding. 7 days continuous block with TASI implant block the progression of acute pain to chronic pain. Equally impressive is our implant containing chemo drug doxorubicin shown in this mice breast cancer model in Purdue University. This implant can extended release chemo drug for 3 weeks. Inhibited the tumor growth better than the intravenous injection. The implanted animal have better weight gain, less lung metastasis, less cardiotoxicity, and no detectable blood chemo drug level. Another industrial first. The implication for this implant is prostate cancer. So, with 2 different classes of drug, totally different lipid solubility, we constructed 2 implant drugs with great efficacy and a side effect profile to treat 2 different diseases using the same manufacturing procedure. Thus, demonstrated TASI can be a platform for license. Most encouragingly is the market readiness for TASI. Over 90% of the urologists or surgeons that we surveyed would use the TASI implant today if it's available.
My name is Bob Wallace, and I'm CFO for TASI. We'll be prioritizing the development of TASI bupivacaine for postoperative pain management. This gives us a solution for patient relief after surgery, and by controlling the acute pain, we can decrease the progression to chronic pain. Numerous other drugs can be reformulated in the TASI system for other diseases. You can see the large number of surgeries annually in the U.S., but we'll be focusing on hernia, appendix, C-section, and other related surgeries. The customers needing this product are surgeons, so our market will be hospitals and outpatient surgical centers. We can significantly reduce the use of post-surgery narcotics along with opioids. Looking at the drawing, we have a wound with an implant in place just before the wound is sutured up. The implant gives more than 7 days of pain relief. TASI has clear advantage over other methods of injection infiltration and the drug Exparel. These products are liposomal formulation of bupivacaine. Exparel is a product of Pacira, which is a NASDAQ-traded company. These present treatments have side effects of nausea and dizziness, and the injection can have cardiovascular issues, though it's rare. Exparel may not get FDA approval for nerve infiltration due to granulation risk. The injection infiltration lasts 4 to 6 hours, and Exparel lasts 2 days, but TASI provides relief for more than 7 days and does not exhibit side effects. Exparel is our primary competitor with 2019 revenue of $400 million. Our cost structure is similar to Exparel, but TASI implant lasts 3 times longer at about $2 per unit, depending upon the drug. TASI bupivacaine has an opportunity to participate in the post-surgery veterinary market of $33 million and the human post-operative pain control market of $11 billion, and with the continued positive forecasted growth rate for 7 years. The chronic pain market potential is even larger. It's estimated at $100 billion in 2024. The financial projections in year 2, we will start our revenue at $65,000, and in year 4, we will be at $3 million. Licensing will start in year 2 and profitability in year 4. The chart indicates a pathway to FDA new drug application over the next 5 years. The initial investment is for continued animal postoperative studies at University of Maryland, leading us to obtaining government NIH NSF funding. There are multiple exit points when we achieve these milestones. An important opportunity for TASI is prostate cancer. Present treatments are surgery and radiation, both having significant long-term side effects of urinary, gastrointestinal, and sexual. Both processes are very expensive, sometimes reaching $120,000 versus TASI implant of a few $1,000s. The procedure for TASI implant with appropriate drug is similar to urologist in-office biopsies and fiducial placement for radiation alignment.
In summary, at TASI, we have a breakthrough technology that can transform drug delivery. The technology has strong U.S. patent protection and 2 proto-drug implants gaining traction in 2 huge markets. Please consider joining us in this promising journey to transform people's life, especially millions with chronic pain.